Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. It's Meditation Monday, and I'm sat here appreciating the flow of very warm air in my woods. We've got a little bit of what you might call an Indian summer in the UK. It's although it's supposed to be officially summertime, the school holidays are over. September is here. The evenings are they're drawing in, and the mornings are that little bit darker, but it's so beautiful and so warm. We've got all of this air coming up from Europe, and it's perfect. And talking of perfect, I've been very guided to look at what could only be described as a collective vision of peace. Everywhere we turn at this moment, particularly at this transitional stage of the 3D to 5D, the fourth dimensional window that we're in, everything is either a version of reality which is distorted and in need of correction, or it is a piece of the fifth dimensional puzzle that we are building together. Individually, we're very, very powerful souls once we are stood anchoring our mighty I Am presence. We are a version of ourselves that has the capacity to change everything around us. But if we work together, undistracted, on a vision of unity and peace, this will happen so quickly. And once a collective focuses on a timeline, an outcome, a shared vision, that shared vision becomes reality. Whatever you are focusing on at the time, be it something that has distracted you, a piece of news, information that could either be false or fake, or all of these different things that are circulating at the moment, if they aren't based in love, then they are creating from the lower frequency at which they were placed out there. So just take a few moments this morning to begin the week, or it might be later in the afternoon for you, it might not even quite be Monday morning yet. Just breathing deeply in. First of all, we ground. Just place your feet upon the floor and just take a few moments to feel the earth, the field, Mother Earth's vibration. The vibration of Gaia has shifted exponentially and she is moving forwards with her plans, with her agreements. The fifth dimensional vibration of light that is coming in from the cosmos has boosted her into the next phase of her changes. Now it is just simply the human beings who are maybe struggling to keep up a little bit. So feel her. Place your feet upon the floor. You can either have barefoot or just wherever you are. Might help to be out in nature, but if you can't be, that is okay. Just ground. And move into yourself for a few moments. Check in with your physical, your mental, your emotional, your spiritual fields. Make sure that you are completely with you. Part of you hasn't wandered off somewhere. Just bring everything back to that core place where you are at this moment in time. And focusing upon your Earth Star chakra, feel beautiful silver roots just gently guiding out. Mother Earth is just holding them and grounding her in. Just take a few moments to speak to Gaia. Let her know that you are here, acknowledging her presence, your willingness to work, to be part of the higher field. And just feel your roots anchoring in so very, very deeply. And Gaia is offering you her energy this morning. And you feel it moving up from your Earth Star chakra. You might perceive it as a deep blue-green colour, that gorgeous colour that you get in pictures of the sea, or maybe frozen icebergs, that radiant blue-green. Just feel that moving in. Feel it moving into your legs, to your hips, to your torso. Moving up, breathe it into your lungs and into your heart centre. And as you exhale, feel it moving into your shoulders, your arms and your head. And Gaia is wishing to show you a vision this morning. It is her vision of peace for the world. Everything that she would like, that she would love to see us achieve together on the fifth dimensional timeline. So with your hand upon your heart, just take a deep breath in now, breathing into your heart center. And as you breathe out, it activates fully and begins to communicate and receive the pictures of life in the higher dimensions from Gaia herself, the Earth Angel. What is she choosing to show you this morning? What vision of reality are you being shown at this moment in time that is different from the one that you are perceiving? Allow her to speak to you in her language. Gaia may be showing you a picture of a world without conflict, without wars. People giving and receiving freely and equally. Children learning outside in nature as the Atlanteans taught. Learning how to garden, how to grow food, how also to cook it, how to prepare the land, how to honour and respect nature. She might be showing you buildings in alignment with the ecological surroundings. She might also be showing you a picture of humans, human beings, a human soul working with nature to heal their own body, maybe using crystals and herbs and what we might consider to be long lost technology. It is beginning to come back to us now. And just breathe and relax and allow this vision of love, of peace to flow through you. She might be showing you a picture of humans free to move and travel, but without damaging the world or the air around them. A world without borders, without the need for protection. A world where crystal technology fuels and powers everything, using the light and the ray from the sun that comes in, shining so brightly. She will be showing you this morning her version of the golden future, and the one that we are also collectively focusing upon, the one that we know within us. It's that feeling that we get in our navel chakra, that yearning for something that is so close but so very different from what we might have been experiencing so far. And as you're just receiving these messages, these beautiful visions from Gaia, the Earth Angel, breathe them up from your heart center into your third eye. So your third eye is shining this morning like a beautiful, clear crystal ball with emerald light radiating from it. Take the vision into your third eye, and with a few deep in-breaths and out-breaths, begin to beam this version of reality, your picture of reality, out into the field. And hold that vision steady. And you might see and feel a physical presence of Gaia by the side of you, standing in Throne Angel form this morning. Or you might just be feeling her energy as she says thank you to you. Thank you for assisting with the creation of this vision, the implementation of the next phase of the ascension process. And just breathe and relax. And just say thank you to her now. And when you are ready, open your eyes and smile. You'll feel the difference within the cells of your body as you have brought this in, as you've received your message from Gaia. You can do this as often as you wish. You can speak to her multiple times a day just to say, I'm here. I'm doing what I'm here to do. I hear you. I think over the years leading up to this point, many of the higher beings around us, the angels, the ascended masters, the beings, the elementals all around us, they could barely reach us. They were lacking communication, and now they are being acknowledged, they're being heard, and we're communicating. They are coming in their millions. There are so many of them. So just remember this morning that the vision that you received from Gaia was not just for you, but it is a collective vision. Everything that we are creating together. Diana Cooper will have written and spoken much about the things that I've touched upon this morning in her new book, The Golden Future, which has just been published by Hay House. So check it out if you feel guided to do so. And tomorrow I'm joining my wonderful friend Alice Heath for a very powerful workshop, and that is going to be looking at stepping into our full version of spiritual service. But we're also going to be working with a very interesting Atlantean timeline. So join us for that, because it's going to be good fun. It's also going to be powerful work. And I also have another event on the 9th of the 9th of September, working with the temples of the sun and moon, which I'm looking forward to. That's going to be a beautiful divine masculine, divine feminine balancing or rebalancing. So check it out. It's all on my website, and I'll put details of upcoming workshops in the text below. But I'll be back on Friday with an ascension update. I might be walking or I might be here. Sending you all lots of love. Bye bye.